Gold and silver traded bullish yesterday. We have seen additional bullish momentum in silver compared to gold, but both have come to the resistance levels, which I have maintained as a greater resistance zone, where gold towards 2362.5, 2365. We have seen it is struggling at that zone, and it is still very close to this. And silver has also moved towards close to 3070, 3080 levels, which is again a greater resistance level. Now, what to expect today? How to profit? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. US markets are closed. Thus, later in the day, the momentum might reduce, and thus, whatever move we are getting, it is going to be with the Asia and Europe session. How to profit? Let's see. First gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. This is the first update. Next update I always release before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation and support. And join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. If you look at the hourly charts, you can find out higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. On the hourly charts, this is the support. It is created at 2345.44. With that as support, we have seen gold moving up, and you can also notice it is consistently creating higher lows, which is a good sign for the bulls. If you see it is staying below 2354, 2350 zone, we can say slight bearishness may prevail, and then we will look forward to 2346.44 zone, below which you can say that the bears might be in action and further drop can be seen. As long as 2344.46 is respected, we have to be careful today. Moving averages are trading with divergence, signs of bullishness, and see, after diminishing here, after converging here, it has started to diverge. Good sign for the bulls on the hourly charts. Stochastic near to overbought. Look at MACD. It has seen the highs. It has crossed over. Trading with slight divergence. This calls for a little retracement, but I will say this is as a retracement, not a reversal. If you look at the moves, first wave, second wave, and third wave has started, or the red part of the third wave is about to begin or has begun. So a little retracement can be expected. RSI dropping from the top, coming to 2. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Moving average is trading with divergence. Prices are trading with divergence from the moving average. And right now I can see higher lows here. We have to wait for it to break below 2354 zone, then 2350, then 2346.44. Very, very nearby resistances are there on the downsides, or rather I will say support on the downside. Look at the move. First breakout, then consolidation, second breakout, and now consolidating. Possibility exists that it can give a third breakout, if not today, possibly tomorrow. If you look at 2365 levels, you will find this is the zone where we have seen gold struggling earlier, and it has almost come towards the same zone, which is indeed a greater resistance. Stochastic has dropped from the top. MACD has seen the highs. It has come towards the top. It is trying to converge crossover. RSI is overbought here. Coming to 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts also you can find out higher lows here, but look at the support here. Thus we have to wait for it to break below 2354, and then you can expect further bearishness. Also, if you connect the dots here, it may try to trade in this channel where the lows could be at around 2350.48. The moving averages 20 period are sitting at around 2344.46. So thus there are greater supports in gold today. As long as 2344 is not taken, we should be careful with the sell entries in gold. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD bullish. RSI is also near to overbought zone. And on the 4-hour chart, the observation is more or less same. Another thing to observe here is, see, this candle price is tried to bounce back, then a swing, and currently it is delivering higher lows, so it can bounce back again. But also you should notice the higher lows here, so lower highs here. So this suggests that the prices are not much interested in a further rise. And if you see it is staying above 2365, that is the only point at which you can initiate a buying entry, where I will be looking forward to 2371.5, and beyond that we can look forward to, in fact, a stronger rise towards 2377, 78, and then towards 2384. So this is something you should note. Right now I can say that as long as 2354 is not taken, we have to be very, very careful with the sells. Also, if you notice, the prices are trading with divergence here, and thus it may try to converge a little. So if you combine the 1-hour chart observation and the 4-hour charts, right now it appears that the bearishness is not very much present. Only and only if you see it trading below 2354, you can expect it to drop, else it is still staying bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought here. Coming to daily charts. Now look at daily charts here. It is consolidated enough here. If you divide this into two, you will find a identical symmetrical formation here. Look at the moves here, identically symmetrical. What has happened here, see, this greener and red should be identically symmetrical. What is preceded this was a greener candle, what would follow is a red candle, possibility exists, but that will confirm the direction of gold. And thus again today is going to be one important day for gold in order to decide its direction, because see, right now if you look at it, is exerting pressure on the Bollinger Bands to expand, and today's bullish candle will be the only chance for it to uh, give a breakout as well. I have shared yesterday again. See this lower high, see this higher lows, and it is almost on the verge of a break. So if gold stays above 2365, we can expect a rise, and then 2370, 71.5 will come into picture. Beyond that, we can look forward to 78 and 84 levels as the next targets. The moving averages, which are convergent, have started to diverge and are looking upwards, are staying bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD has, look at the MACD here, rise, retracement, drop, and it is crossed over and it is retracing again after staying at the bottom for a while. The RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy 2065 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 2370, 71.5, 78, and then 84 levels as the next target. Beyond that, sky is the limit. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is only at 2354, 53.5 zone, where you can expect it to move towards 2348, 2344, and then 2338 levels. Below 2338 is where extreme bearishness may prevail, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See silver on the hourly charts. If you look at the move here, it is taking the support from the 20 period. The moving averages are divergent here. And also if you observe it closely, you will find it is getting greater resistance at around 3060 level. So that becomes our ideal buying point. What has happened since then, if you divide this into two, it is forming symmetrical formation. It has come to take the support from the 20 period moving average. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is dropping from the overbought zone as well. Coming to 2 hour, the observation is more or less same on the 2 hour chart. See, you can divide this into two again. You can find identically symmetrical formation here. Thus, if you see silver staying below 2335, when you see the low higher price below 3035 levels, you can take a sell entry at 3035. Expect it to move towards 3020 and $30 zone, which is going to be a greater support. Prices are trading with little divergence from the 20 period moving average, which may call for it to converge. Stochastic dropping sharp. The MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI is overbought here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, the observation is more or less same. This is the first red candle. I'll wait for the next candle, and with the next candle, if you see it is staying below 3035, you can take a sell entry for 3020 and $30 levels, which is indeed going to be a greater support. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic dropping sharp. The MACD is also bullish. It is tried to converge but yet not crossed over. The RSI is overbought here. Coming to 4 hour, similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts as well. Remember, any move beyond 3060, you should stay bullish. We can look forward to a rise towards $31 levels. Moving averages are crossed over here. Yes, it can try to convert. There's a little retracement is what you can expect before it looks forward to on the upside again. If you look at the 4 hour chart, see it has formed a nice flag here, and it appears it is coming out of this flag formation, and this breakout is going to remain strong. Thus $31 levels is going to be one level it needs to break in order to sustain the breakout. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. MACD, if you look at, see the waves in MACD, and this is the third wave, and it is trying to converge and again may try to stay bullish. The RSI is overbought here. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts here. This is what we are talking about, almost at the cusp of this flag formation, and thus today is going to be one important day. If you see silver staying beyond 3060, you can initiate a buying entry. If you look at the silver's position, you will find again, here you will find the symmetry. What preceded this red candle is a greener candle. What could follow, or this greener candle is a red candle. Possibility exists, and it can try to erase some of the gains from yesterday. And if it breaks out beyond 3060, stay bullish. We can look forward to 31. And in fact, beyond 31, further bullish momentum may prevail. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom on the daily chart. This is interesting. This still suggests bullishness. The RSI is rising. So looking at this, you can buy at 3060 levels. And though in the beginning of the day we can expect a little retracement, so little sell entry at 30.35 can be taken, but you have to be very, very cautious and careful. As long as $30 levels are not taken, below $30 levels is where slight bearishness will prevail. So 30 $20 $30 levels are going to be first target and very strong support zone. Below $30 levels is where slight bearishness towards 29.80 can prevail. On the upside, I will recommend a buy at 30.60, where we can expect it to move towards 30.80 and 31. Beyond 31, sky is the limit. We are looking forward to 31.50 very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join my free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.